my name is Miss Hermes. I'm going to school at Mayville State University, and today I'm going to be learning about the geography of North Dakota with you. First, let's take a look at this pan of brownies. What do you notice about them? Are there any differences? If I were going to serve these bars, how do you think I would cut them? Why do you think I would cut them this way? Well, you can take some time and discuss these questions with anyone in your household, or simply just take some time to think about them. North Dakota is sectioned into 3 different regions. Why do you think we would make different regions? What are some different reasons you can think of that would separate one section from another? And why are we learning this? Well, again, you can take some time and discuss these questions with anyone in your house or think about them to yourself. We're learning about this to dig deeper into the geography of North Dakota and to learn more about our state. First, we're going to start out by watching a short video that's going to give us a lot more information on our state and these 3 regions.
North Dakota is right in the center of the North American continent. It's a little over 300 miles east to west, 200 miles north to south. North Dakota is a little over 70,000 square miles, about the size of Ireland, making it the 19th largest state. It borders Montana and Minnesota, and of course South Dakota, and to the Great White North, there are Canadian provinces Manitoba and Saskatchewan. North Dakota has 3 basic regions: the Missouri Plateau, the Drift Prairie, and the Red River Valley. The Red River Valley isn't much of a valley, really. That's because it's still a kid, geologically speaking. So it hasn't had a chance to cut very deep yet. The soil here is from sediment that came from ancient glaciers, and the western edge of the valley is made from the beaches of a prehistoric lake bed. The lake was long gone when the first American Indians arrived in the valley. The flat, rock-free land and big river made it a great place to hunt and fish and live. And the land was perfect for growing food, thanks to the fertile soil. Even days, North Dakota's best farmland is found here. This area is the lowest part of the state. Grand Forks is only 824 feet above sea level. The Empire State Building in New York is taller. The middle region is called the Drift Prairie. Unlike the Red River Valley, this place is rocky. Some rocks were left here by glacial deposits or drifts. Others were once inside the glaciers. Then the glaciers melted and the rocks stayed, along with ponds and potholes among the gently rolling hills. Devil's Lake, the state's largest and deepest lake, is found here. This landscape was perfect for wildlife, but human settlement, not so much. The ground here was not nearly as fertile as the Red River Valley, making the Dakota style of living tough. The third region is the Missouri Plateau. This area is the state's largest as well as highest. It lies south of the Mouse River and west of the James and the Missouri Escarpment. The Missouri Plateau, broken line of little hills, rises here, and White Butte is a high point at 3,500 feet. But one of the most rugged places of all is the Badlands. Glaciers never came here to smooth things out, so the land is rough-edged and rugged. Formed from harsh winds and lashing rainwater, the soft soil here was stripped away to reveal the hard rock beneath. There's also a major geographic feature running from one corner of the state to the other. It's the Laurentian Divide. Rivers on...
Okay, so we are going to stop the video there. And if you wanted to watch that video on your own or finish it, I gave you the link here. And I also gave you 2 other resources. And these resources will just help you learn more about North Dakota and the 3 geographical regions. The first one I provided you is a website, and when you open up the link, it will bring you right to what I want you to see. This site will provide you more information about the geography of North Dakota. And the second resource is a presentation. This one also, when you open the link, it'll bring you right to what I want you to see. And this presentation will dig deeper into the 3 regions of North Dakota. So before we start our activity, I want you guys to go to those resources and dig deeper and learn all the information that you can from what they provide you. So as we start our activity, I'm going to explain each of these steps. And as I explain them, you can pause the video at any time to complete any part of what you need. So to start out, we can draw an outline of North Dakota on a blank piece of paper. Next, we want to draw any rivers, mountains, or major towns that you notice. Now, section out each of the 3 geographical regions. Label each region. Now that you have your completed map, I want you to test yourself. See if you can make a new map of North Dakota, labeling all of the sections you just did on your last one, but using only your memory. After you've completed your 2 maps, go show your work to anyone in your household. Explain to them what you've just learned. Thank you so much for learning with me.